Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you've learned on how you can use the Merlin AI. Okay, so of course we have installed the extension first. So just open another tab, and then you just have to search for Merlin AI extension. All right, and then it'd be directed to your Chrome Web Store, and then you just have to install it to your browser. So as you can see, we have successfully installed it, and then just go to your extension, and then make sure that you have pinned the Merlin AI. Now, right here, for example, you're opening Lazada. So since we already pinned the Merlin AI, all you have to do is to tap on it, and then you can ask Merlin AI any question that you want to know. So for example, as you can see, it is now watching the current tab, which is the Lazada website. For example, the best or the trending products today. So you just have to ask Merlin any question that you want to know. And yeah, you can also use Merlin AI to another websites as long as the extension is installed and then you are on the current tab. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.